Hey everyone, so would you like to add pages into your Shopify store? If you go into your customize section of Shopify, as you can see I have already here my very first website, and what I want to do is to add more stuff here into pages into the header section. So this is one page by default that was added here. So what I want to do is to save all the changes. I want to go back, because if you want to add pages, actually this is not the way how we can do this. The way that we can do this is to go actually in the online store and look out for pages. Here into pages, what I want to do is to select a new one. So what I want to do is to hit into add page, for example, and here I'm going to type, let's say for example, new arrivals, like this, and here into the content, this is just an example, like that. And here into the visibility, you want to leave it like that. And here in the online store theme template, you want to leave it into the default page. This is the search engine listing preview, and you want to go into save. Once you have created your actual page, you want to go into view page, and as you can see, this one has been added automatically, but I want to see this into the upper side, so that's the reason why I want to go back here. I want to go into the actual navigation, and here into navigation I want to look out for the menu, where you can see here's the main menu. I want to click into this main menu, and here I want to add a new menu item, and this one is going to be called new arrivals. And here into linked, I want to look out for the actual page that we've just created, which is pages, new arrivals. I'm going to hit into add, and I'm going to go into save. So with that being said, I can go back into my online store. I can go into view your store, and here it should be appearing the new arrivals in the upper side of your store. So with that being said, we have finished our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, if you want to see more amazing tools for Shopify. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.